Good day, my name is Emil. Today I'm going to talk about water purification, specifically the new cross-solar reverse osmosis unit that we brought into our range. This unit comes beautifully packaged in one box, complete with the installation kit, which will have everything inside for you to install the system DIY. The unit is a single cartridge unit, filtration system, reverse osmosis. It has a 1-to-1 ratio, 1 recovery, 1 waste. Simple installation of the replacement cartridge. It's got all-in-one carbon and membrane in there. It will last up to 1 year. And 70% of this is the membrane, 30% of it is the carbon block. It's got the ability for you to add on a mineralizer. If you don't like straight reverse osmosis water, you can add a mineralizer to it before the water gets to your tap. It is supplied without the mineralizer, so you can add this on. It comes with the power supply, so you'll need power under the counter, but it's a simple installation unit. Designed for small, compact apartments. Beautiful tap that it comes with, style tap, which is stainless steel, and it will fit beautifully into your kitchen. This you will find at any of our stores nationwide. Thank you very much.